using is the same stuff. All the same products. So I feel as though when you have like blonde hair, colored hair, whatever, you don't want your eyebrows to be so dark. You don't want them to be like this, but it's what I got, it's what I got. Alright, so I'm gonna go with my favorite palette. You already know, the chocolate bar palette. My Kiko, it broke, it fell, but it is a dark blue. I hope the camera just stopped recording. I hope it did. Because if it wasn't recording this whole time, I'd be sad. These are tweezers for my sewing machine. And yeah, my tweezers are out in the living room. Sometimes the inner corners don't stick down, right? It takes a little bit. So what I like to do is I like to hold it there until it dries or it gets like really tacky. Or you can just apply more glue, right? Just apply more glue. Is that good? I think that's good. I'm still gonna do it. I'm using this, you know. What else do I do? I'm gonna use this. I love this, using this as a highlight. My setting spray fell on the floor, but I do have new lippies finally. Yes, they are the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink. These really stay on. They grip your lip and don't let go. When you see Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, just call them lip grippers. Those are, I'm just putting some of this African shea butter on my lips before applying the lip grippers. The lighter one, oh, let me take out the shade, sorry. The darker one is 85 and the name is Protector. protecting this lip line. And the lighter one is 75 and the name of it is Fighter. Damn! Okay. Protector and Fighter. Protecting the fighter. Okay. All right. What a name. What a name. Oh, I don't even want, like, you can see my freaking mustache. It's like dark. Disrespectful. Oh, let me stop talking. There we go, some Swarovski crystals on the under eye. Okay guys, so I have the dress on, but I want to add some decorations to it. You can't see it, but I'm gonna get up and show you what the dress looks like. And I didn't hem the bottom, so it's like, it's denim, shiny denim, so it's like fraying, and I like that. I decided not to sew those on, and I found these and just glued them on. Alright, so these are the press-on nails that I'm going to be applying. Alright, so you see, oh, so pretty, so pretty. Guys, look at my tongue ring, like it's not even. So he pierced it like close to the side, and then it's diagonal, so it's not centered and it's not straight. Let's see how it looks without the barrettes, or whatever those things are called, clips. this is the finished look. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.